Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Stream. In this module, I want to show you how you can use Stream in your organization. So first of all, you normally access Stream via your app button, and it will be in the apps there, Stream, with all the other Office 365 apps. So once you open Stream for the first time, you'll get this screen. This is the welcome screen. What you've got, which is really great, are a few video links down the bottom here. You can see these: how to create a live event, upload, find, and what channels you've got. So it's well worth having a quick look at these videos before you start, but let's have a look at what we've got at the top here. So we're on the home tab, and then you've got discover videos. If you've got any videos, they will be appearing there. If you've got any channels that you're members of, they will be appearing there. And same with people, you can search for people. So if I just search for a person, you can see how this would work. So there she comes up, and then you can click on that person and there's nothing there for her either. So if I go back, groups, shows you all the groups. So there's a sales group which I've created, and these are all the groups that you are a member of. Now that's the first tab. Second tab is your content. So you've got similar options, but if I go to videos, you can see that there's one video processing at the moment, which is ready to publish. You've got different options across there. I'll wait for that to load up. Now when you've selected videos, you've got this same list going across the top here. So once you've selected one of these options, you get all the other options. So groups, these are all the groups, and I created a sales group, so I will create a group. Let's just create a group, and we'll call this marketing group. And you can put a description in, marketing videos. That's what we're going to have in here. And you've got the options there to change any of these settings. If I click on edit, at the moment this is just going to be for the members, but you can have it anyone in your organization, which I'm going to put that on, and then you can create that. And then it's a case of adding people. So I'm going to add a couple of people, same people, add. And I could have changed those to be owners, not just members. So there's a marketing group. And then you've got channels, and you can create a channel. So let's create a channel. So we'll call this channel training videos, and office training videos. That's what it's going to be about. It's a group channel, or you could have it as a company-wide channel. And then you've got the option for an image there, which is just going to put anything on there. I'll put a picture of me, which is not great. Group channel, I'll put it as company-wide channel, and then I'll create that. So that just creates a channel. So it's training videos, and I'm going to follow my own channel. So it's got a follower. Nobody's watched any videos in there because there isn't any. You've got these ellipses where you can edit and delete it if you don't want that. So that's that one done. And then we're going along here, meetings. There's no meeting videos. Anything you've selected to watch, and then any followed channels. I've just followed that channel, so there it is. And then the good old recycle bin. So that's the same as this list. Now the next one is where you're actually creating or uploading videos or going for a live event. So at the minute I'm uploading a video, but let's click on that, and then you browse for a file to upload, and then you find a video. So if I find a video that's quite a small video really, one in Outlook. The one I'm uploading at the minute is this one, which I know is quite small, but let's just do it again. And then you get the title, description. So this is Outlook overview, say it's a training video. English, and you've got the option to put a thumbnail in there, or you can create your own. So if I go to thumbnails, pick that one, and it's going to upload the thumbnail into this video. Now below that you've got permissions, where you can select allow everyone in your company to view this video, which is what I'm going to leave it on, or you can select share with people, and then you search for the different people in your organization. So I'll search for Ashley, pick the longest name in the world, search, and then you're sharing it with him. Now I'm going to tick him as an owner so he can own this video, so he'll be able to mess it up if he wants. And then options, you've got comments on, noise suppression off, and then captions and all these other things you can, if you've got a subtitle file, you can add them. These little eyes gives you information. If you're not sure what they do, you just hover over them and it should pop up. Eventually it pops up and tells you what that means. So then I'm just going to share this for now. You've got to copy that link and then you can email it. And if you don't want them to have it from the beginning, you can actually set a time, change this to a time. So if I put that at 2, they will get a link, and you can see it there. Look, 120 just appeared. That's going to be 2 minutes into this video. You've also got the option to embed. That's a bit of code. If you're wanting to embed this into a SharePoint site, you could do that, and that's the code that you will have to do. It's not ready yet because it's still being processed, so I'm not going to do this. Probably going to close this right now and just let that go. Now the other things you've got in there, in fact it's saying publish now, so I should be able to publish that. Published. So the other things in create is you've got a live event. If I click on live event, you can actually create the same sort of thing. You've got a name, a description, a thumbnail. You can upload the image, language settings, select a date, and then the permissions and options are already there for you. So the live event, you can have a little preview before you start this up. I'm not going to go through the live event in this little session, but let's have a look at the next one. So group, new group. So we've already been into a group and created a group. I'm not going to create another group, so just discard that. And then you can create a channel which has already been. Now this option, record screen or video, is a quite useful one. So this is like, let's say you want to do a bit of an Excel course, a live, not a live session, but a recorder session. So you're recording the screen. I'll just click it on so you can see what it looks like. Allow. So it says there, click to start recording. There is a 15-minute limit on this, but basically it will record the screen. It's not available because I'm uploading that, but I'll click OK to that. But that will record the screen, and then that produces a video which will be part of your stream. So I'll just close that while it's still uploading that. Now that's the last one on that one, and you've also got search for this. The other way, there's that video now, it's uploaded, 2 minutes. I thought it was shorter than that, but there you go. So I'll like that, and then you can play this video if you want. Just turn the sound off, and there's that video that I've uploaded. So if I go home, back to home, you can see now if I scroll down, you've got the video that I've uploaded there. I'm following it, and you get the stats and things like that. So search would now become not useful because there's only one video, but the option is to search for a video if you've got multiple videos. At the moment I've only got one, and there it is. Now once you've got a video, as you can see there, I've got a video in position, email 1. You've got the options at the end to add it to a watch list, so I've added that, and then you can share it or add it to a group or channel. So if I add this to a group or my groups, so if I say sales group, I think that's what I called it. Search for it. There's sales group. So I've added that to the sales group, and I'll let them be the owner of it, and then save. And then if you want, you can edit this, and then you've got these 3 ellipses with different options there. You can trim the video, so that cuts the start off or cut the end off maybe. But let's have a look at what edit does. So in edit, you've got the same information that you had on the front screen. You've now got all the permissions that you've given, and you've got this sort of information there. Now if I cancel that, it comes back to the video itself, and I'll just pause it for a minute. But what you can see is when it plays, it gives you the transcript down the right hand side. So basically you can see when you said certain things. This will now be in this box on the right. You can see that. You can search for a bit. You can edit it. If it's done a typo, like me, I've got an accent, so sometimes I pronounce words incorrectly. You just need to check that that is not the case, and then you can just edit these. So I'm okay with that. There may well be mistakes, but I'm not too fussed at the moment. And then you can add comments, post comments, and fill your boots really. So that's basically how the video will present when your colleagues open it. The other option you've got is you can use Stream to record a Teams meeting. So I've got a meeting going, so I'm just going to push that onto this screen so you can see it. So what I've got here, if I make it full screen, I'm in a meeting. So if I just record this meeting for a second, start recording, and you've also got, if I turn on live captions, it will start speaking, but I'm recording this video in the meeting, so whatever is said or done in the meeting now will be recorded, and it will become information that you can access and share later on as a stream video. So sometimes if there's quite a lot of people in a meeting, it's quite hard to keep a tab on what everybody said. Recording the meeting might be an option you want to look at. However, you must tell everybody that you are doing that before you start. To stop the recording, you just drop this list down from these ellipses, stop recording, and stop recording, and then that information, if I leave this meeting, that information will appear in Teams. I'll just pull that on, you should see it in a minute. There's the Teams meeting. Recording will stop, so it's saving recording to OneDrive. So once it's saved it, there it is. You can click on that, and then the video is available to see through SharePoint, and you can save it, share it, and do whatever you want. There's the video recording that meeting. I'll just play it for a second. There you go. So that's basically all I want to talk about on this little session. Microsoft Stream, where you can coordinate all your videos, you can create groups and channels, you can do a live broadcast, you can upload videos, you can share videos across your company platform. And the point to note is Stream is for internal company use. It's not really meant to be transmitted outside of the company. It's for internal use, training videos, or like you saw there, recording meeting events. But that's a quick overview of Microsoft Stream. So hopefully that was of use to you, and thank you for your time.